Do you want to know how to change country or region on Instagram? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so don't make any mistake in this process. So open your Instagram app and it will lead you to the home page. Right now, the next thing that you want to do is to tap on your profile icon, and here you will see my account is currently on business account. So to be able to change your country or region, you have to create your account to business account. So tap on the three dash icon, which is the menu icon, tap on it and click on settings. Now scroll down until you find account types and tools. Under professional section, tap on it and tap on switch account and make sure that you have chosen the business account. Now if you are done making your account business, now go back to home profile, click on edit profile. Here as you can see, you will see this information: public business information, age, your category, your contact information. Now under the area, just tap on contact options. There will see your email address, your phone number, your location. Now tap on business address. Now you can enter your state, area, your city and the area code, and that's it. And once you are done, just hit on save and tap on done, and now you have successfully changed your country or region on Instagram. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.